God! Is that Simcoe Barker?
Good morning, YouTuber Single Burger here. Lucas coming picking up recycle. It is Tuesday morning, about 7:30 right now. Hope you guys liked the card update last week. That was for the month of January, and I'm going to be getting more cards for sure during the month of February, so next card update will be good as well. But after this, there is a mini event update. We'll just let you guys know that I don't have too many. There still is a decent amount, and most of them are cool. But yeah, this week is my birthday, February 2nd on Thursday. I turned 14. It's just closer and closer to being able to get my CDL. But yeah. Single Barker. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Comment, subscribe for more. I will see you guys later. That was Luke. Tuesday morning. Good morning, YouTuber Single Barker here. Jay is coming picking up compost. It's Tuesday morning, about 8:30. And yeah. Good morning, YouTuber Single Barker here. Jay is coming picking up compost. It is Tuesday morning, about 8:30 right now. There he goes. Burger. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys later. That was Jay, Tuesday morning. Doing a quick minivan update. I haven't done one for probably, I think, 2 or 3 years. I don't have that many. I'm pretty sure this is all I have. I might have some in another room. If I do, then you'll see a clip after this. But we'll start over here with my Brute. Rubbermaid Brute minivan. Got this off of eBay for, I think it was $20. Pride minivan. Bought this from a neighbor. One of 2 blue SSI Schaefers. Got a set from Isaac and a set from Schaefer themselves. One of my 2 black SSIs. Then one of my 2 green SSIs. I like the Schaefer minivans a lot. And then right here, Pink Heart minivan from Cascade. this from Isaac. Then we have my auto. Red. Nothing special about this really. I used to have a dark blue one as well, but I traded it with Nick. Then right here, my red Sulu. Got this from Will. Using some money right now. Right over here on the floor, I have my Allied Waste minibin. Got this off of eBay a long time ago. My only hybrid minibin left that has a lid still. I used to have 3. Then I traded 1 with Isaac. I can get more in the future if I want. My, I think 360 liter, don't know for sure. One of you Australian YouTubers can correct me on this. But I think it's a 360 liter Sulo minibin. Got this from Isaac. Like it a lot. Really big. Consider it probably 120 gallon compared to the 60 gallon. Then stack of waste management. My all black minigun, got this off of eBay a long time ago as well. That's why most of these don't have lids. These ones down here are the ones that I've mainly had for a long time, except for the hybrid ones and that Solo. But besides that, the ones that don't have lids or wheels I've had for a long time. This is my Western Oregon Waste. Wow, minivan. I used to have 2, traded 1 with Isaac. But yeah, so that is my quick little minivan update. Don't have many, want to get more, but yeah, single bark out. If you guys enjoyed that video, comment, like, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys later.